Welcome! In this video we will show you how to properly install Permaloc's CleanLine landscape edging. Before you begin, gather the tools you'll need for the job. Once you have determined your layout and marked it, dig a trench by driving a spade straight down along your line. You'll want to dig the trench about 1 inch deeper than the edging being set. Begin by connecting as many sections as you will need to complete the length of your run. Set the edging into the trench with the loops facing into the bed and the rounded bead on top. You may connect additional sections after the edging is placed for longer runs. Start at the beginning of the run and drive in stakes while holding the edging so the top is about a ½ inch above the final bed height. Use 3 stakes on 8-foot sections and 5 stakes for 16-foot sections. At the end of the run, cut the final section to the correct length with a hacksaw. You may begin any additional runs with the remaining piece. For angles and corners, cut the edging halfway up from the bottom with a hacksaw and bend over a hard surface. More installation and product information can be found online at Permaloc.com.